Okay, notice it says choose all tables. All tables where the ratios of ordered pairs represent a proportional relationship. So which one of these are proportional? There may be more than one. Notice quickly that to go from 4 to 8, you multiply by 2. To go from 8 to 16, you would multiply by 2. And 12 to 24, you would multiply by 2. Right? So it looks like they're all proportional. And notice that if I take 8 over 4, that's 2. If I take 16 divided by 8, the y over the x, I get 2. 24 divided by 12, that's 2. See that? They're all the same. So therefore they're equivalent. It's proportional. It's proportional. One other thing to note is notice the change that goes from 4 to 8. To go from 4 to 8, it goes up by 4. From 8 to 16, it goes up by 8. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the change is 2. So that's two ways of, actually 3 ways to tell if it is proportional. One, does it multiply by the same number? By the way, that same number is when you divide, you get that same number. And if I look at the change, it's going by 8 and then 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So actually there's 3 ways of checking. Let's go to the next one here. I'll try it this way. Let's see. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. You know what? It works out. They are proportional. And just to double check, if I take y over x, that's 4. 8 over 2, that's 4. 12 divided by 3, that's 4. Also notice the change. From here to there, it goes up by 4. There to there, it goes up by 1. If I take my y over x, that would be 4 over 1. It changed 4 over 1. Excuse me. So therefore, yeah, it's proportional. It's the same number. If you divide them up, it's the same number. This was just a faster way of checking. So you can do it either way, this way or the other way. Now looking at this one, you really can't multiply, can you? 4 times something is 3, 12. You can't even go this way. So the multiplying part doesn't work out. But still, let's try out to see if they are equal. So let's try 3 over 4. And this one's 6 over 12. Now wait a minute, 6 over 12 is 1/2. I don't think that's going to work. And this one here, 9 over 16. 9 over 16, no number goes into both of those. 3 doesn't go into both of those. So see, they're not equal. They're not the same. They do not reduce to the same number. So therefore, it's not proportional. This one is not proportional. And the other ones were proportional, but this one was not. So to recap, if you can't tell by multiplying, then try dividing each one to see if you get the same number. If it's the same number, it's proportional. If it's not the same, then it's not proportional.